Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I do share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to find a good bargain. I love to share Temu hauls. I love to share subscription boxes and other random shopping things. I did shop a recent sale from ColourPop. And I've never purchased from the ColourPop site, but they had I think maybe it was a 4th of July sale. It was before 4th of July, I think, and I picked up 5 items. I think I paid $35. And so I got 2 palettes, and now that I'm seeing the palettes that they sent me, I'm wondering, I can't remember, but I'm like, I don't think I thought I ordered different ones. Well, one of them I know I ordered, but the other one I was kind of questioning. But anyway, nonetheless, the first palette I got is Flutter by ColourPop, and it's got the colors. They kind of have fun names for the colors. This is a rosy, kind of a neutral rosy colors, and starting in the top corner, it's just over here and going across. It's Just Imagine, Wild Wing, Made to Last, Gotta Fly. Right here, it's Angel, BB, Mariposa, Overpacked, Sunflower. Down on the bottom, it's Float On, Getaway, Changes, and Lush. So those are the colors. I'm really liking this palette. It's very neutral, and it's very much my colors. So I'm going to go in and do some of the shimmers, because I always like the shimmers. Maybe I'll do one non-shimmer. I'm going to do kind of a neutral look. If you guys know me, I like a light color on my lids. There's 3 right there, which is, I did this corner, second one here, and the one below this one right here. So that's a fun look. There's a really shimmery one on here. I think I'm gonna post that one next to this dark color. It's kind of glittery. I don't know if you can see it on the end there. So I am excited about this palette. I paid $10 for it. The next palette has a cute name, and it's called Heavy Petal. Okay, and this one, I think I thought this was going to be different. I thought it was going to be more like light colors, pastels, and it does have some, but it has a couple of the same shades that are in the other palette that I just, let me see, there you go. I'm going to wipe off my other palette and see if I can, I like the formula actually, these. It seems to be a pretty good formula. So let's see, what am I going to do here? I'm going to try the peachy. Once again, I like shimmers, so I'm going to try those. A couple of shimmers and a couple of regulars. So I've got this one. You can see I just did this one, and this one. Those are kind of peachy shades. You can see them. I can see them good, but I don't know if they'll show up good on screen, but I really like those. That lavender is beautiful. It's kind of an iridescent-y look. And let's see. I'm going to try the lighter brown, kind of a mauve-y color. And I'm going to try this one down here. It's like a bright, kind of a purpley burgundy color. That mauve-y one isn't really showing up. Now it was that color. So there's the other three. They're on the bottom there. So that's a fun palette. So I do like that. Then I don't know why this. Sometimes I'm not the smartest. I look at things and I can never make a decision, and then when I do make a decision and then I get it, I think you made the wrong decision. So whatever. This was one of those. They're called shock shadows, I believe. And I got this one in a pink color, which is kind of me, but I think they had, I mean, I would love a lot of these colors, but they have tons of different colors. Anyway, but pink probably wasn't the best color. I do have eyeshadows in this color, but it's kind of a, you know, I'll be honest with you, it's kind of a shimmery, it's almost like a gel powder. And this one's just, it's kind of iridescent, but I just got pink. I don't even know if you'll see it show up here. Right here. But anyway, if I could get more of these, I think I'd like them in bolder colors. And then the last two, I think I paid $4 for this. The last two items, I think I paid $5 each because I was really intrigued. I saw the thing about this is a brow gel that clear feather effect brow styling gel, and then I like this, like I said, I like the thin brow pencils. Let's see, I don't even know if this is coming up. Guys, I don't know. I think that I'm a little bit disappointed with the brow products. This isn't even coming up. I may have to have a complaint with these guys. So this is supposed to go into here, and when I saw pictures, it was really kind of, it was gel. This is not doing anything. All it's doing scratching. This is really thick. I mean, it's not doing, I can't get into it. So this is supposed to be a really good eyebrow gel and eyebrow pencil, and they're not. So I don't know if I could recommend ColourPop now, even though I'm happy with the shadows I got. These two, I would be happy with them if they did what they claim to do on the website, but they don't. So anyway, that's that for ColourPop. Not too impressed, but I gave it a try. They got me, I don't know, some ad that popped up and said their big sale and showed eyeshadow palettes for really cheap. I don't know if I might have even paid like $9 for these. I don't know. But so I went and did an order. So now I know what the ColourPop website's like. Not sure I'm impressed. We'll see if what they have to say with if I complain about these brow products and how they'll handle that. Will tell a lot about what kind of company they are. So anyway, thanks for being here. And I appreciate you. Subscribe, hit the like button, comment. I would love to hear what you have to say. Are you familiar with ColourPop? Have you had good or bad experiences? Okay, until next time, we will see you later, friends. Bye-bye.